Welcome to our channel. How to set up the TP-Link Archer GE800 gaming router, fast. Step 1. Unbox the router. Take the Archer GE800 out of the box and place it on a flat, open surface where it can get good airflow. Step 2. Connect the power. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Turn the router on and wait for the lights to come on. Step 3. Connect your internet. Take the Ethernet cable from your modem or ONT and plug it into the router's WAN/internet port. Step 4. Connect your device. Use your phone or computer to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi name and password are usually shown on the router label. Step 5. Open the setup page. Open a web browser and visit tplinkwifi.net. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup. Step 6. Create an admin password. Set a strong administrator password for the router. Keep it somewhere safe so you can access the settings later. Step 7. Set your Wi-Fi name. Choose a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, that is easy for you to recognize. You can also set separate names for different wireless bands if needed. Step 8. Create a Wi-Fi password. Set a strong Wi-Fi password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then save the wireless settings. Step 9. Check the internet connection. Connect your phone, PC, or gaming console to the new Wi-Fi network and check that the internet is working properly. Step 10. Optimize for gaming. Open the gaming and network settings in the router dashboard and enable features such as game acceleration or QoS where appropriate. Then update the router firmware if a newer version is available. Thanks for watching.